Good day, Divergence traders. How we doing today? I hope you're all doing good. I hope you were selling rallies and buying dips, or buying dips and buy the dip, sell the rip. Because that's what these markets are all about. If there's no signal to get in on a setup of whatever you're trading, support resistance, MACD, RSI, all those indicators, or the OSMA, if you have no setup, you got to try and buy a dip, or you need to sell a rally, right? In order to make some moolah. Okay? So we do have a setup here. Let me show you. All the way up here, I wouldn't touch it because it's just roaming hills. Roaming hills higher and higher. Okay? So, this nice blue candle up with the big long wick, that is the open of the stock market. And you can see my time to trade starts from 10 o'clock, okay, to, I think it's 12, 19 yet, till 12 o'clock, noon, lunchtime, okay? So anyway, we had a setup up here. Let me show you. We would have a setup here too if this valley right here was less than this one. But I guess we could draw it. Yeah, let me show you this one first. If you just do a little manipulating and, a little adjustment, okay, you can make it work. So we go like this. Oh, that's level. Okay, that's going down a bit. Yeah, it's going down. Okay. From right here, wow, where did that go? Where'd that line go? See, this one's going up slightly. I mean down slightly, okay? Here, let's just put it on the body of this candle so you can see the angle of it, okay? There, right there, okay? Right there, right there, right there. This one's going up, this one's going down. It's diverging, ladies and gents, okay? So you would have got in right here, and the stop would have been very, very little, like 9 points. And your shot to go up went up 41 points, okay? And there's that trade. Yeah. Now let's see, what do we see at the top? Let's just call it a double top, like that, okay? And, sorry, I'm a little slow here, like that. Okay, and our entry point would be right on the opening of this candle right here. Okay, stop was 28 points. Did you get your 28 points? Oh yeah, it went down 40 points. Okay, then what did we have, ladies and gentlemen? Let me make the chart bigger so you can easily see it. Okay, then we had a higher close, sell it on the opening of the next candle, which is right there, and down it goes. Up close, down it goes. Higher close, sell it, down it goes. And it went down what? 40 points. You see, if you're going to do these trades, okay, I know probably a lot of people would never want to do this, but I'm telling you, it helps. If you're going to do scalps, you make the chart as big as you can on MetaTrader. See, it's all zoomed in, and you can see them so easily and much better and where to get in. So anyway, if you sold it here, it went down, yeah, like 39 points. Was there any other trades? There was. That was the first one. There was one more right here. Let me show you. We have a higher close, and on the opening of this candle, you would sell it. Let's see how many points were available on this one. 14. See, so if you're scalping like 5, 7, 10 pips, you would have got it. Okay. Now, would I do this third one? No. No. Too much time has passed. You got your 2 sell trades. You got your 1 divergence, double top bearish divergence sell trade. You see, you would have made all these points today trading the NASDAQ. Okay. And if you would have went to the 1 minute, let's go to the 1 minute just to see what it shows. Yeah, see, it's very choppy here. But it showed, oh yeah, it showed this trade still, a high and a higher high and a sell right here, see? And it would have worked out good too. It went down 50 points, see, on the 1 minute. But you really want to trade the 5 if you can. But some days you can't help it if it's moving all over the place in small, ranges, like right here, if it's going like this, but going all over the place for a long time, you don't want to put it on a 1 minute and try and trade that. It'll chop you up probably. But some days it won't. Some days it won't. Let's look at the S&P 500 now. What do we see here? There's no high retracement, higher high trade. Let's see. Let's make it bigger. Let's see if I can tweak it and make it work. Okay, so we have high. Yeah, that would be right to that high. Okay, and that's from this high down. Let's see. Yeah, it's from that one. Yeah, to that one. Let's see. Let's put it on perfectly to see if it is divergent. Looks like it is to me, right? This bar on the OSPA, on the histogram, it's lower than this one, so it's going down. This one's going up. So you know what that means when one's going up and one's going down. It's time to get in, man. It's time to do the trade. But look at here. Price came down and you couldn't, that I wait for the close of the candle when we first strike down through the moving averages. But you couldn't do that here. Well, you could, but it wouldn't be good. So somewhere, I would say, let's put a little line. Let's say somewhere you got in. Come on. Right there. You broke through the support, the most recent support, which also was R1, but that doesn't mean jack shit here on any chart because all the brokers have different freaking prices except for the futures, okay? The futures, they're all bang on at all the brokers. There's no manipulation there. They're not allowed to do that shit. You know what I'm saying? It might be off one tick here and there throughout the day, but it's not like a difference of like 70 ticks or 125 ticks like these damn future Forex brokers, okay? So anyway, let's say you got in the trade on this candle and you got in right there. You just hopped in, you just went sell, boom. You click sell, boom, that's it. You don't have to use a limit order. Limit orders suck. In my opinion, they suck. Okay, so you jumped in here. I'm getting a little loud here. I'm going to give myself a headache or something. Okay, there was 6 points to the top from that entry. Okay, 6 points. And what did we get here? We got the 6 points. So the trade would have been over right here. You would have sold it right here at the red line, and you would have got your 6 points right there at the bottom of that wick. Okay, then what did we have? Then we had a higher close, sell it right there, and down it goes. Okay, there's 4 points to there, and down here's another 6 points. Okay, then this is not a trade. Do you know why? Because it closed above the moving averages. There was no sell here. Even though it worked, There was no sell there, ladies and gentlemen. No, 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 no. Oh, damn, there's some black thing at the bottom of my glass, my water. I don't know what that black thing is. I hope it's not a bug. I had a freaking fly. I don't even usually eat bananas. I used to buy them for my mama all the time, but anyway, I don't eat them. And I bought a couple lately, and now I got these little fat bugs with little tiny wings. You know what that bug is? And you can't catch them either. They're fast. They're fruit flies. The little bastards come here all the way from Guatemala in the bananas. Oh, man. Okay, let's move on here. So there was no trade right here. No trade. No, no. No, you know, we do that. We go like this. Oh. There we go. Put an X through it. No. No trade. Okay? No more trades there. Okay, let's take a look at the US 30. Oh, it was a wild one. Okay? We have no divergence up here to sell it. No divergence. But we did have a trade. Like here's the, if you were to do this right after, see the big baton here, the two wicks, wick on each end? Yeah, that's the open. You can guess it. It's the open. So if you did do this trade right here, let me show you. Lower close, buy it on this one, and up it goes. So you would have made like 43 points to the top. Potential, not that you would have made 43 points, okay? And then we had another one. See, this one right here came down. You know, because the first one worked so well, it shot up so well, I said, well, this one should work too. It should go and make a new high, right? No, they were faking everybody here. That's what they were doing. But I did the trade, okay? I wish I would have, well, not that I wish I would have done the first trade because it was too close. I wouldn't have done the first trade because it just opened, okay? It was like 5 minutes after it opened, you would need to buy. And after that big swoosh down and the indecision here with the baton, it could have went down too, all the way down here. You know what I mean? So anyway, let me show you on my live account the trade that, oh, there's the good trade it in. It's on the wrong chart to show you. Here it is. See? I bought right here. I bought right here, man. It did not go for me. It went up a little bit, but it didn't go to the new high. I was going to click out of it right here if it went there. It didn't freaking go there. Mode Z Tabernacle. So after this big shooting candle down, which was how much? 50. Oh, that seems bigger. You'd think it would be bigger. It's 56, 55 points. After it did that, I said, okay. And no divergence to sell. See, from here to here. No divergence. I said, okay, I'm just going to leave this alone, and I'm going to go and try a trade on oil. Let's see if there's a trade on oil. There it is. Okay. There it is. Did it work? Oh, yeah. Now, I can't sit here before and you go, I'll go, I start crying, go, I wish I would have stayed just a little bit longer, just 15 minutes longer. Oh, that was another 54 points. Oh, damn it. No, I don't cry about that. I hit my target, okay? I got in a little late, as you can see, because I was still finishing up with the damn Dow. The damn Dow. The entry point was right there on the opening of this candle. Okay? Anyway, I got in. I made around 50. I got my losses back, plus a profit. See, you gotta, when you lose, you gotta put up your dukes and go, come on, man, come on. I gotta find a trade. Let's go, let's go. And that's what I did. Sold it there, and down she go. Okay, let's go back to the demo. Okay, I always show you the setups on the demo. Okay, so there was one successful trade. There was no divergence to sell it. No, sir. No way. However, we did have a trade right on. Remember I told you if it closes far away, here I got to make this bigger. Remember I told you that if it closes like, far away from the 5, you need to wait for another candle to go to the 5. So so this one is close to the 5. So on the close of it, you would have sold it. It would have went against you 13 ticks. But then it came down. Okay. There's 24 ticks. There's 24 points. Then we had another one. Okay, let me show you the next one. Oh, hold on. Oh, no, it's right here, right here. Higher close, right? Right close to the 5, right? Righto. Come on, let me click on you. It won't let me click on the little bitch. No, not that line. There we go. See, if you have something close to it, it'll stop you. It'll be on top of it or something, and you can't, or it'll be underneath it and you can't click on it. So anyway, here's the second scalp trade. You would have sold it right there because that's a higher close. Sell it. Down it goes. There is 38 points, ladies and gentlemen. And then there was a third one. There was a third one. Not that I'm saying you should take the third one, but it looks still good. Like its moving averages are pointing down, see? And it still looks like it could produce another winning scalp trade, right? Which it did. Okay? So higher close, sell it. Down it goes. How far did this one go down? 44 points. Gotta like it. That's on the US 30. So it did some beautiful stuff afterwards, after I got suckered on this one. Okay. That's it for the Dow. The US 30 on my platform. Broker, whatever you want to call it. Aren't they beautiful, those trades, eh? They're fucking beautiful, man. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's move on to the pound dollar. What do we see on the pound dollar? Oh, we see double tops and double bottoms. That's what I see. Yeah. Let's just cover them, eh? Let's cover them all. Why not? Got nothing better to do. Just gonna go for a walk. Need to go walk, man. Kind of hurt my foot a little bit and I couldn't walk too much lately, and it healed up enough now that I can. I'm wearing freaking sandals, man, outside because my toes are all battered up. They've been through a war with the wall. Yeah, I kicked the wall while I was sleeping. I'm one of these people who live out my dream. So if I'm dreaming I'm in a fight, I start kicking. Oh, it's crazy. Start doing drop kicks to the wall. Okay. That's not funny, ladies and gentlemen. It's not funny. I went through a lot of pain. So we need the arrow. That's what we need. I hope you don't mind my little stories as we go along. It's just who I am and la-di-da. Okay, so if we would have got long right there, our stop was like 10 pips. Went up 17 pips, we would have got it. And then we had, what did we have here? Oh, she's pushing up now. The pound. Oh, don't do that. You little motherfucker. Oh, buddy. Ah, come on. Let me pick it up. Come on. I don't know. How can I solve this problem? Like, there we go. Oh, I got to move it to the left and then it takes the lock off of it. Okay. Okay. There's a double top. Now I know what to do, I think. So it doesn't fuck with me anymore. Okay. And we have a slope down, right? You don't have to draw it from the high as long as it's, all right, I think it's right here. Oh, it's even one more down right there. See that? It does not need to be at the top of the mountain peak, okay? Does not need to be. As long as it's doing the angle down, we got the double top, it's a trade, man. It's a trade. Let me show you here the arrow on the double top sell divergence right on the opening of this candle. We would have sold it. Our stop would be, say, 7, actually even less, 6.5 points, 6.5 pips. Nope, didn't get it there. Went down 10. We got it there. We got our 10 pips. And then what did we have? Do we have a low and a lower low and buy it and up we go? No, because this, the reason I wouldn't do that trade, which would have been a loser probably, is because this valley needs to be less than the left side of the valley. Okay, it's not. But over here it is. See, we have the double bottom. Let me show you. See if we can put this on right today. Or not today, but now. There. Okay, double bottom. See, when you do a double top, right, on the whatever you're using down here, it needs to be going down. Okay? And when you're doing a double bottom, the line needs to go up. Okay? That's very important that you know that, because if you don't, you're going to be looking at looking and thinking that it's divergent when it's not. Okay? Okay. So our entry point was right on the opening of that candle. Okay. Right there, we would have sold it. Our stop would be 13.6 points. Pips, it's the pound. 13. We got 23. We did it. We did it. Here's a lower close and up it goes right here. Let me show you. Lower close. Buy it. Right there. Went up 10 pips, man. You could have got money in there, okay? Then we have a second lower close. You see that? And it closed right on the 7. It did not, if it would have closed down here, it would disqualify the trade, okay? So it's like a little filter. We have another one right there, okay? So lower close, open, buy it, up it goes. This one went up 12 pips. If you held, you know, if you needed more, it went up 21, 22 pips total. Okay, then do we have another trade yet? Oh yeah, we do. See how we have a high, a retracement, and a higher high? Look, see, this one's going up, this one's going up. There's no trade to sell in here. No trade. However, geez, my mouse ran off the pad. Where are you trying to run away from me, little mouse? Every time it goes to the edge of my mouse pad, it's trying to run away from me. Little bugger. Okay. Right here. There we go. Hard to see bullish divergence. Went up 23, and we needed 11 to get our 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. It gave you 2-to-1 if you wanted it. Okay. Is there any other trades? No. No, that's it. That's enough, right? Like, how many trades? We got 1 trade here, 2 trades, three divergence trades, and 2 scalps. And all of them would have gave you at least 10 pips, the scalps, and the divergence setups would have hit their 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. Yes, indeed. And that's what's important. You have something that mathematically hits where it's supposed to go, doesn't do it all the time. You know, look at the first trade I showed you on the Dow. I lost, man. And I closed it. I could see it was going bad. I lost. It didn't go back up. Okay, let's move on to the euro now. What do we got here? Yeah. We have a beautiful double bottom. Lower low, whatever you want to call it. We'll just draw it like that. Like that. And you would have got long right there. Went up 11 pips. Stop with 7. You would have hit the target. And we had we had higher highs, see, like that. And we had the lower lows. So that was a sell trade, right? Yes. We got short right in there. Stop would have been like 8 pips, let's say. Did we get our 8 pips? We got 10, so we got our 8 pips. Because the spread is so small today. Believe it or not, when I first started trading Forex in 2005, September to be exact, of 2005, okay, which was what? 18 years ago. Wow. The spread on the euro was 2, was it? Yeah, it was 2 points. The pound was 4 points, and the pound yen was 9 pips spread. Craziness, man. And on top of that, they charge a commission. What a ripoff, eh? They took advantage of all the people, man. It was just awful. A lot of people who had brokers, they got rich, man. They got super rich. Yeah. There's a whole bunch of other stuff they did, too, to get super rich. And all that'll say is 2 words. Boston Technologies. Not good. Not a good company. No. Okay, so we have low and lower lows. You would think it's divergent, right? But it's not, and let me show you why. So we're going down, low and lower low. And we're going down, low and lower low. This one, why is it not divergent? Because this one needs to be up here. And it's not. Just like this one here, see? So it's not divergent, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, no. Don't want to delete the OSMA. Okay. However, it did have some other trades, okay? Because we crossed up, we're bullish now. So right there, lower close, buy it. Up it goes 8.7 pips. Then we had another lower close, buy it, boom, right here. It went up 10 pips. Okay, should I show you the one last one? Well, you can see it right here. You can see it. Okay, lower close, tiny little close, buy it, and up it goes with almost 0 drawdown. Another 10 pips. Okay, this is the euro USD. Gotta like those trades. See, there's another one, and it went up again. There's another one, and it went up again. There's another. Well, that one would be a disqualifier because they closed. It closed below the moving averages. Okay. But if you waited for, here's another thing I got past that, is if the next candle closes up above into the zone of the 2 moving averages, you could buy it there. And look. 16 to there. 24 pips to the top, baby. See that? There's something else I just taught you, and I got too much goodies for you guys. It's like Halloween and Christmas every day when you come here and watch my stream, because you can see the preciseness of what I'm teaching you here. Okay. Pound yen. I know it's not easy. Trading's not easy. To do this in real time, it's not easy. You know, it's just not easy. Let me show you the first setup. This is what? Pound yen. Okay. So right here to right here. Okay. It's hard to see bullish divergence. Hidden divergence. Okay. And would have got long somewhere in here. Okay. Got long right there. Your stop was 15 points. Oh, you got that quickly. Right there. Right there, you got the 15 points. If you held on, you got 30 to there. If you held on way up here, it's 50 to the top on the pound yen. Okay, now let's make this bigger. Okay. And I'll show you the little scalp trades along the way up the hill. Okay, this one here doesn't qualify because it closed below the moving averages. But see this one here, it qualifies because it closed above the moving averages. So if you bought it here, it went up 11 pips. Here's another disqualifier. But this one right here, it was a qualifier because it closed close to the 5. So you would have bought right here, and how much did it go? Geez, another 10 pips. Oh, yeah. You know, just because I'm saying, you know, here's a quick 10 pips and I'm calling them scalp trades, doesn't mean you have to close it at 7 or 10 pips. You can just hold it up, you know, higher to get more pips, right? It's just a dip along the way up the hill, right? It always, that's what the market does. It goes up, it comes down, it does a stair step, and then it goes up to a higher high, you know, up here, and then it comes down to a higher stair step, higher highs, and lower high, higher high, lower high. It's like steps. See what I mean? That's what it does. You can call it Wyckoff or Whack-Off. Oh, that's a good name for Wyckoff. Oh, fuck. That's funny. There's so many, what I'm trying to tell you is there's so many traders, streamers, whatever you want to call it. You know, they try and make up these new names for things and call it this or call it that. You know what we got? We got support and resistance, trend lines. Most of the things they try and rename, like structure. Oh, this is buying structure. It's just support and resistance. Okay? Like, come on. Support and resistance, man. It was support and resistance 50 years ago when I wasn't trading then. I was like a kid. I was 10 years old or whatever. You know, it was support and resistance then. 30 years before then, it was like in the 60s or 50s. It's support and resistance. People who try and call it some other name, you know, like Whack-Off or Wickoff. It's bullshit, man. Come on. Come on. You're hearing the real McCoy here, the real stuff. Okay. Do we have another trade along the way? Yeah, we do. It's right here. Yeah. Would have been right there, believe it or not. We need the line to cross up. I know my entries are not the best. They're slow. Hey, why wasn't he buying down here? Why? Because I have something that tells me that maybe this is going to work out, and that is the 5 above the 7. I have a lot of faith in that. Okay? So buy right here at resistance. Remember, this was up here at that time, up at the top of the chart. This is what deceives traders, is that you look at it afterward and you go, oh, look, that was easy. I just had to buy there and it went up. But you got to realize the way they have these charts is when you're at the top. See, we're at the top of the chart here. If we go to new highs later in the day, you'll look at this and you'll go, oh, look at it. You know, it's not how it looks now, where it's at the top of the chart. So when you bought right here, we were right here. We were right here at at resistance, okay, of the US session. We're at resistance. And this was up here. So it deceives you. It scares you. It makes you think, oh shit, look at this, look at this. I'm not buying up there. We're at the fucking top of the chart. You know what I mean? It doesn't mean it's gonna look like, oh, I'm gonna be buying the top. I don't want to buy the top. It's gonna go down now. That's what's put into traders' minds. You see, we're human and we think opposite of what the price does. That's why we lose. That's why in a downtrend, people are buying and then it pushes lower and they lose. This is why when we're in an uptrend, people sell and it goes up higher and they lose because their mind is programmed to fucking do that. I know, I've done it. I've been trading so long. This is why, you can't try and pick the tops and bottoms. You can't try and think you're going to sell it at the top and it's going to go way down in a major, look at this, major bullish uptrend. No fucking selling, man. No. Take that out of your mind. Pull it out of your ear and throw it on the ground and stomp on it. Because that's how humans are programmed. That's why 97% of us lose. Because we're trying to pick the tops and bottoms. Anyway. That was a rant. But it's true. I'm teaching you good shit here, man. That's why on the freaking Dow, I wasn't trying to sell it. I was trying to buy a dip. Yeah, well, it took off down instead. Can't always win. Okay. Where are we now? Okay, so we got in here. Our stop would have been 16. Yeah, it went up 23. I probably already showed you that. I'm sorry. I lost my train of thought. Let's now move on. We covered everything on here on the pound yen. Let's look at the EJ now. Okay, right here. Right there. These trades used to be so hard to see for me. Now they just pop out at me. I scan the chart for like 3 seconds max and I see everything I need to see because I've been staring so long at them. So this is hidden divergence right here. Okay, hard to see divergence, hidden. I always got it after I say hard to see, then I say hidden. Because I renamed it in my course. It's called Hard to See Divergence. I have easy to see divergence, and then I have double top, double bottom divergence. But I also have grade A setups and grade B setups. There's so many different setups in the course, I'm telling you. If you spend just a low price of $77, you won't be sad. You'll be happy. You'll go, okay. This is the best one I ever bought, and it's only $77, and I paid $600 for other ones or whatever, yeah. But the only way to find out is you gotta pick up a copy. Okay, so we would have got long here, just like before. We were right here. We would have been buying at resistance, okay? And it went up 63 pips on the euro yen. But that's not all. Okay, if you missed this entry, okay, here was one right here. Scalp trade right there. You would have got in on the opening of that candle. How far did it go up? 7.5 pips. If you just would have held on to it, hey, went up 60 to the top. Not that you would have got it 60. Okay, there's one there. Let me show you 2 more. Right there. And right there. Here's another one right here. I'll put it on there. Why not? One more for the kipper. Eh? One more for the kipper? Yeah. Okay. So this one, you had the potential. Okay. All blue candles, 25 pips. This one, potential to here, 17 pips. Okay. Then this one, 31 pips potential. Gotta love all those trades. Look at those thumbs up. Hey, yeah, baby, let's go. Buy the dip, sell the rip. And if you want to know where that saying comes from Patrick Wieland. He has a stream too. If you want to laugh or if you want to get insulted, go watch Patrick's stream. He'll call you a bunch of motherfucking names. He's such a nut bar. Oh yeah, we have another guy named Nutty Bar too. Yeah. We got some nut bar streamers on here. I'm kind of a little crazy myself too, right? So I'm in a little bit of a nut bar too. But anyway, as you can see, there was 4 buy the dip, sell the rip trades, okay? Let's move on now to gold, and then we have oil. That's the last one. What did gold do? Did we have a trade on gold? Yeah, of course we did. Sorry, I gotta catch my breath. Talking lots in this one. Wow. There, look at that. Hey, isn't that beautiful? Beautiful, right on top there. It looks like a Picasso, huh? Or the Mona Lisa. That's like beautiful, like the Mona Lisa. The Mona Lisa. Yeah, the Mona Lisa, and then we ate some pizza. Okay. Let's move on here. Jesus. Let's see. Look at all those beautiful scalps all the way down. Yeah, baby. Okay. What I got short right here. Our stop would be like 25 points or so, whatever. You wanted to bring it up here, you could bring it to 40. And how far? How far? How far did we go down? 131 points. That's how far. Boom. I'm just going to plop them all on and then we'll take a look at them, okay? Come on. There. And then one more right here. Here's the third one. Right there. Look at that. Hey, isn't that beautiful? I just love it. Oh, I forgot to draw on the line down here. Jason, wake up. It's right here. Okay? Double top, pointing down. Double bottom, it needs to point up. So here's another fucking trade now that I look at it. It's like close enough. Maybe no cigar, but close enough. Ah, you motherfucker. You guys see? You guys must think I'm a little crazy. I try and do this perfect thing. There's the double bottom. All right. Okay. So, if you would have, sold it here, down it went like a lot of pips, right? 50 pips on that one. This one went down 40 pips on that one. And then we had this one here. And this one went down in 10 minutes. 65 pips, ladies and gentlemen. Then we had a double bottom, okay? Right here. All right. And the entry was right there. Right on the opening of this candle, okay? Your stop would be like 27 pips. Didn't get it yet. Oh, yeah, we did. 30. Right there. Right there, motherfuckers. Yes, right there. Right there. Woo! Man, trading was good today, huh? In hindsight? I know. I know some of you are thinking that right now. But you gotta believe me, I ain't bullshitting you. All these trades, if I was sitting here watching this chart only, okay, and paying attention, I would have seen the double top. I would have got short right there. I know exactly when to get short, okay? Is after the 5 crossed down below the 7, okay? And it would have worked out. Then there's another trade here, and I would, it'd sell it, and down it goes. Here's another one. This one's like easier to see. You'd sell it and down it goes. I'd see them all in real time. Okay. If I was here on this chart like 15, 20 minutes ago, I would see this one and I would see the entry right there. Yes, I'm showing them in hindsight because it's after the fact. But I have a question for you guys. How would you like to see the setups right before your eyes in real time where you're supposed to enter the trade setup, the actual trade setup? Would you like to see that? If you would, something's going to happen soon. I'm just giving you a little taste of it. Okay? I might as well say it. I'm going to be starting a mentorship not on YouTube and delayed YouTube. Okay? No, not on YouTube. No stream. In a real webinar where you're seeing the price move in real time. Okay? I'm going to be starting a divergence trading mentorship. Okay? I'm going to be showing you the divergence setups in real time, not hindsight after the fact. So you can learn from it firsthand. Okay? So that's all I'm going to say right now. I'll give you more information in the next couple of days. Okay? All right. So let's move on to oil now. Here's oil. Look at the beautiful trades on oil. Woo! Look at this, eh? How it went sideways and they kept bringing it to the same high, same high, same high. And then they smacked it down. Do we have divergence here? Actually, we do. So let's mark it in. Low and lower low. Right in there, crossed up. Stop was 38. This is gold. Or no, this is oil. Jason. 38 points was the stop. Did I go up 38 points? Yeah, right to there was 38 points. How much did it go up to here? I went up 80. So there's your 2-to-1 win-loss ratio right there. And we had one scalp trade right here. Okay. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. 57 points. Right there. Lower close. When this one opens, you buy it and up it goes. Okay. Now, if you did try that over here, guess what happened? It went bad on you. See? It can happen. And there was this major, they just took it up above this resistance right here and shot it down. They sold it. However, we do have a sell trade. That's the trade I did today. The trade that got me back my losses and a little bit of winnings. Yes, indeed. The entry is right there. Right on the opening of this candle, exactly at 1700. See, this one closed, then when this one opened, that's where you'd sell. Sell right there. Your stop would have been like 60 points. Did it go down 60 points? Oh yeah, it went down 114. You would have got your 2-to-1 win-loss ratio. Okay? Even though I didn't get the extra 50 points right here, I'm happy I took it here. I'm happy because from there, the mother Fookers could have bought it right back up to S1. Right back up here again. You don't know, man. That's why when you hit your target, your 1-to-1, okay, there's 57 points, right? And here it was 62. You got your 1-to-1 right here where I took it and I closed it. I got in late right here, so I had to respect. I always measure out where would have my take prop TP be if I sold it at the exact point of entry, which is right there. Where is my take profit? And it's, you know, I measure my stop. I always measure the stop first. I get the amount, 58 points, and right there, I knew to take it right there, and I did. Okay, there's no divergence down here, ladies and gentlemen, to buy it. Well, you could have tweaked it, but still, are you gonna buy after it rallies up 71 points? See that? You're gonna buy up here? No fucking way. And it's almost over. Trading's almost over. Look what they're doing now. They're doing the sideways shuffle. Okay? There's no more trades. Okay, so anyway, I guess it's time to go. When you gotta go, you gotta go. A man's gotta do what a man's gotta do. Oh no, I forgot. Hold on. Don't leave yet. Shit. I forgot my scalp trades, Jason. And there was two beautiful ones too. Just beautiful. Like a beautiful woman. Just beautiful. Right there. Okay. You would have sold it here. Higher close, sell it. And down it goes. 55 points. Higher close, sell it right here. Down it goes. 65 points. Gotta love that. So anyway, thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming out today. I'm happy to see you here. I hope you're going to come back tomorrow, and we'll do this all over again. It's a lot of fun. So anyway, I want to say, oh yeah, again, my mind wandered off. I'm sorry. Anyway, if you could please, holy fuck, this fucking toxic shot I got is really kicking my ass. Jesus. Anyway, if you could please hit the like button, I'd appreciate it. If you could please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, I would really appreciate it. Look what we have here. I gotta show it to you. Sorry, I just popped in my eye here. Look, right here. Yeah, you can draw it right up there. You see it? That's hidden divergence. That's the entry right there. Right there, man. Right freaking there. Okay, so anyway, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And I also want to thank all you people who have subscribed lately. I really appreciate you subscribing. So, have yourself a good afternoon. Trade safely. Trade the setup. Trade what you see, not what you think. Good luck and good trading.